Hello friends, let's today see another topic of this chapter, symmetry, that is plane of symmetry. Till now we have studied two symmetries. One is center of symmetry, another is axis of symmetry. Now we will see plane of symmetry. Okay. Till now we have seen center of symmetry, means we draw one center. Second, axis of symmetry, we drawn a line, right? And now we have to try with a plane. Remember, in the center of symmetry we have seen with dot. In axis of symmetry we have seen with dash axis. But in third we are going to see now with plane. Okay, I think it is quite easier than other two. We have to pass the plane. Plane, yes, you can consider plane as a, this is the plane, suppose, right? I'm not wrong. This is the plane. Means you are going to pass like this, right now. Okay, we have also a plane of symmetry. See, in our body, this part is this part is same as that of this one, right? Half part is same as that of half this part. Because if suppose we pass a plane, right now, a plane like this is a plane, suppose, and if suppose I pass like this, right, means half will be the mirror image of another. This is called as plane of symmetry. Since the molecules are also possess the same, many molecules possess the same, right, and we are going to categorize it into a plane of symmetry. We are going to pass this plane over the molecule, both horizontally, vertically, right, and in that way we are going to study the plane of symmetry. Then shall we start? There are many examples of plane of symmetry. Means in nature, our body itself, the flower, right now, flower is suppose this is the flower. Okay, the geometry is not quite, but see, it is also a plane. This is a plane, suppose. We are not going to take line and dot. We are going to take the plane. Okay, like this. Do you see? Will it be this one will be the half mirror image of this one, or either this one? Above will be the mirror image of below, right now? Yes, then this flower is said to possess plane of symmetry, right? Our total board, right? And many other things in the nature have a plane of symmetry. Taj Mahal, right now, if Taj Mahal, actually in the center, if we pass the plane, I don't have figure now, Taj Mahal, you can just imagine that Taj Mahal is also having a plane of symmetry, and lots of things in the nature. Leaves, for example, leaf, right now, leaf is having, I will try to draw, but my diagram is not so perfect, right now. This is the leaf. Where is the plane of symmetry then? Yes, the line itself is a plane of symmetry, like this, right? You won't see this. Half part of this side is mirror image of half part of this side, and this leaf is said to possess a center of symmetry, right? No, sorry, not center of symmetry. This leaf is said to have plane of symmetry. Molecule also possesses plane of symmetry. Shall we see in the molecule now? I am keeping this side aside. Okay, I will take it in the hand only. Now let's take one of the molecule. First, let's take water molecule. Water molecule OH. Right now, this is the water molecule H2O. Now tell me where should I keep this plane so that half part will be the mirror image of another half part. Do you see the plane of symmetry? Yes. Over the oxygen atom. Over the oxygen atom, this OH bond is mirror image of this OH bond. Right now, it looks like same. and hence this is one of the plane of symmetry in the H2O, right? Of course, over the oxygen we see, but do you find some other plane of symmetry? Do you see another plane of symmetry? Where is it? Yes, definitely. The board itself. If you pass the plane from here to here like this, painting is good. I will keep like this. If the plane, if you take like this, means half of the OH, right? Above the part of H2O will be the mirror image of the back side, right now. Therefore, board itself is a plane of symmetry. Means in water molecule there are two plane of symmetry, and the plane of symmetry is designated as sigma. It is nothing but the sigma. Sigma is the plane of symmetry, right now. Then there are two sigma in water molecule. One is this one and another is this one, right now. Okay, then there are three types of sigma. One is sigma H, another is sigma V, and another is sigma D. That is sigma is horizontal plane. This one is sigma V, vertical plane, and this one is sigma D is dihedral plane. There are three types of plane in actually plane of symmetry, but in water molecule we see these two. This one and this one. Okay. Now, what is sigma H and sigma V and sigma D? Sigma H means perpendicular. Sigma H means perpendicular to whom? Perpendicular to principal axis. Okay. Principal axis, or principal axis is perpendicular to the plane. Sigma H means principal axis is perpendicular to the plane of symmetry. This is sigma H. What is sigma V? Principal axis is parallel to the plane. Correct? Sigma H means, again I am repeating, principal axis perpendicular to the plane, and sigma V, principal axis is parallel to the plane. Okay, in water molecule we have, this is a plane, this is line of symmetry, axis of symmetry. Okay, this is the principal axis. Which axis is there? It is C2 axis, just yesterday we saw. Then this C2 axis is, and your plane is this, na? What do we see? Either it is perpendicular or parallel to C2 axis. Definitely, this plane is parallel with C2, not perpendicular. Perpendicular will be like this, perpendicular, right now. But this one is parallel, and hence this plane is sigma V. There is one sigma V. Okay. Now second one, the board itself, na, like this. What is it? It is parallel or perpendicular to the C2 axis? Yes, the plane passes through the this plane, and hence one more sigma V is there. Therefore, water molecule has two sigma V plane. Got it? Now let's consider for BCl3. Cl. This looks like fan, right? Ceiling fan. Fine. Okay. We have to find out now plane of symmetry here. we have to pass the plane so that we can get two mirror images of each other. Parts of mirror image of each other. Okay. Where will you put? Definitely if I put here, right? This side is mirror image of this side now. That means yes, this is 1. And what is it? Sigma B or sigma H? That we will see later. Okay, fine. One more is there, like this. If you put, then this one will be the mirror image of above. Then this plane is also there. And also, like this even. See, above is the mirror image of below, na? And therefore there are 3 sigma. Okay, one more sigma is there. Do you find it? Yes. Whole means we are going to pass the plane right like this. What will it will cut down BCl 3 bond in 2 different parts. One is above, one is back side of the plane. That means the above half part is the mirror image of back side of the board, na? Half image, right? And therefore one more is there, that is one more sigma is there. That is there are total 4 sigma. Okay, now tell me how will you categorize this sigma into sigma, either they are sigma B or sigma H or sigma D. Sigma D I will tell you later. Now we will focus on sigma B and sigma H only. Right? Therefore we need what? To categorize it into sigma B and sigma H, we need a axis of symmetry. Which axis? Not subsidiary axis, we are going to require only principal axis. And where is it the principal axis? There are, we know yesterday we studied there are 4 principal, there are 4 axes in a BCl. One is like this, you can rotate through 120 degree, and one is like this, right now. This bond we have to move, right now, rotate. And this one will be the C2. And in the plane, only the line passing through only the boron is the C3, right now. Therefore, principal axis definitely the order is higher, means C3 is the principal axis. Okay, means principal axis is like this, and your plane is like this, right? Here, here, and definitely here, right now. Then do you see it? See, the line is passing through the plane, right now, and therefore these 3 planes are sigma V, parallel. Principal axis is parallel to the plane, right? And therefore 3 sigma V are there. Okay. And one more plane like this, na, over the all the atoms, right? What type of is there? Definitely the line is over the boron, na, like this. Yes, these two are perpendicular to each other, and therefore this one sigma is sigma H. You got it? What is principal axis? What is what is sigma V and sigma H? And how do you find the mirror, the plane of symmetry inside the molecule? We studied 2 molecules, water molecule, and second one is BCl3. Right? Okay. This much is enough for today because the study is little bit harder, right? And we will stop today. We will see tomorrow. And happy Independence Day.